how I package and label these lip balms so they're ready for retail or gifting. And if you want my exact recipe, label templates, and supplies list, check the link in the description below. Hello and welcome. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell a lot of different skincare products like body butters, handmade soaps and lotions, and shower steamers. So here I'm just putting the labels on, and I've just updated them to highlight them, but they're nice and simple, and I like that it has a nice clean look. So I'm just lining this up. There's a little seam that is on, it's a little seam that, you probably can't see that here, but there's a little seam that is on the lip balm tube. And so you just line it up and then you just wrap it right around. And what I've noticed with these labels right here, I noticed that it needs to have a little bit of a space, and that's because when it wraps around it goes back on itself right here. So that's just something to note when you're making your lip balm labels. And then also what I'm doing is I have this, it's a little bit of it's a shrink wrap, and so it has a little bit of a perforation right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit of a perforation, and so what I did is I cut it, and this is just something I've learned with experience, is I cut it in these little, I'll show you, it's like sticking on me here. So I cut it in these little sections. So that's this little thing right here. That's the amount that I cut right there. Why would I do this? Well, I'm trying to make a tamper resistant lip balm label. So it has it right here. This tears off. This part right here tears right off. Well, if you're going to sell this in your store or at a farmer's market or a craft show or something like that, and you do not have some sort of something that's really easy, you know, for the customer to just twist this. That's all they have to do is just twist this and it'll open right up, and then it's not tamper proof. So what I do is I cut that little piece of plastic, and so this will go right over that safety seal part right there, and then I'm going to shrink wrap this. So now that makes it even more you know, safety resistant, so that it cannot be opened as easily, or if they do open it, then it's really noticeable. So I'm creating my own safety seal for my lip balm labels, my lip balms. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me. Have a great rest of your day.